What's going on, brews? Out of Fliptroniks. So iOS 14 beta just released, and I had a chance to update it on both the iPhone SE 2 and the iPhone 11, so we're going to take a look at it. Before we get into this, I highly recommend everybody check out Bovada. This is an amazing place to play slot and poker games. Now, I've been a member myself for the last 8+ years, which is why I'm recommending it to you guys. It's great entertainment, but they do 1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes. They've got over 150+ slot games, and all of these games optimize and play perfectly on iOS and Android. So I'll have a link in both the description and comments if you guys want to check this out. So like I said, I've updated this on both the iPhone 11 and SE 2. Now, at first glance, it doesn't look like there's much of a change, but when you scroll over to App Library, there's going to be a little pop-up that says, App Library exists, what it is, so that's something new on here. Same thing happens when you scroll over to the widgets. So if we go to the opposite side here and scroll to the widgets, there's going to be a little pop-up that comes up now too, right when you have this downloaded and installed. Widgets is the first thing I want to go over because they have made some changes in the widgets. They've also added, the clock widget, which I'm kind of surprised they didn't do it first. So there it is, the clock widget. Looks pretty cool, right? I think this is like a must use, but you've got like the world clock on here, which you can use so you can have different times. But, just adding it, I think that's definitely looks really cool. So I think that's a nice little feature here as far as the new widgets that's been added. Now, Smart Stack, if you've checked out iOS 14 beta and haven't checked out Smart Stack, they've added a bigger version for it. So now you can have this huge Smart Stack. And Smart Stack's basically when you kind of just pile the widgets on top of each other. It keeps them organized. You can have 5 at a time on there, but they added like a bigger version for it. You're also going to notice the Apple Music has changed colors. You can see it's pink now, before it was white. I think it actually looks pretty cool. It's the same for the widget on it. So if we were going to add the Apple Music widget, you're going to notice that it's also going to be like the pink color. And then, of course, you can kind of just add that in there. I think it's cool. But like I said, it was white before, so it's like a small change, nothing like huge. Now, the other thing on here is you're going to actually be able to close and change pages quickly. So when you hold down on the home screen, you can click on the 3 digits at the bottom right there, and then you can kind of like change the home screen pages that way. So it's a little bit faster, kind of just makes it a little bit easier, I guess, to do. All right, so the Memojis are also a little bit updated on here. Let me pull one up. Got like the animals on here, but let me pull up an actual emoji for you guys. I didn't realize this was even anything that changed at first. I clicked the wrong button right there. Give me 1 second here. All right, there we go. So you have some different features within here that you can kind of mess around too. And that's basically it, guys. Like every time they do a little update on this, there's going to be some, different minor changes. Those are just some of them. I think those are probably the most important ones I saw on beta 3 here. Like I said, I had the 11 and the SE 2 that I've updated. I haven't done any other iPhones yet. If you haven't checked out, iOS beta, iOS 14 in general, I would definitely recommend checking it out. Now, I wanted to end things with some COD mobile gameplay on the SE 2. So if you guys could smash a like button, subscribe to the channel for more iPhone content, and let's get into it.
Reloading. Cover me. Enemy contact. Changing mag! Target's in sight!
Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. UAV online.
Reloading.
Killer drone on standby. Hunter killer drone deployed.
Reloading.
Predator missile awaiting orders.
Contact with enemy. Cover me.
Predator missile inbound.
Got shot.
Enemy UAV spotted. Sentry gun deployed.
Changing mag. I'm hurt. Reloading. Cover me. Changing mag. Down. Need backup. Changing mag. Down. Need backup. Target's in sight.